Whoa! The crowning achievement of the dog maker's art. This limited edition collie comes fully trained by Major Jonas Fong, ALBDA. Only 800 will be bred. Quite possibly the world's best dog. $1,200? I better just get one. Hey, where are you going? Hello, my name is Laddie. I've been trained to gather fruit for you as a welcome gift. Good dog. Okay, watch this. Watch. Do a backflip, Laddie.
Oh, he's so smart.
And so handsome. Bart, I just love him.
Hi, Marge. Hi, Santa's little helper. Hi, kid. Hey, that's not Santa's little helper.
That's Laddie. Bart says he won him at a church carnival 2 towns over.
In a truth-telling contest, right, Bart?
To the best of my recollection, yes.
Wow, I gotta start going to church.
What do you got for me, boy? Hey, this says we should feed him lots of eggs and olive oil to ensure a glossy coat.
Oh, yeah. A dog like this you have to feed every day.
He's trained to do all sorts of stuff. He can herd sheep and perform CPR.
Some call it the dog that never sleeps, though it actually does, while jogging.
Geez, that dog has more education than I do. He's some kind of super dog. Hey, where'd he go? Whoa!